Some of the skills I've learned in the military were attention to detail, which is a very important one.
Leadership and communication.
Structure, a lot of discipline.
Basically just to be disciplined and detailed. And I bring that back to my job with Kroger.
I take a lot of the leadership skills I learned in the military and apply them to my work at Kroger.
I learned about people. You put 6,000 people on a ship and you learn how to get along.
When I was serving in the military, what I learned was my self-discipline.
I would say organization, being at the right place at the right time.
And really how to perform under pressure.
And I try to apply that all the time to Kroger.
One of the biggest compliments you can get as a sergeant or as a leader is when your younger soldiers or people that work for you emulate your behavior.
While I was active in the military, I really learned that I could do anything, but I can do more as a team. Creating that team atmosphere in the store really helps us to be successful.